Today is October 14th, 2024, and that's what's hot today. At the Museum of Zoology in Cambridge, a groundbreaking exhibition is transforming how visitors interact with preserved specimens. Over a dozen exhibits, including a dodo and a fin whale skeleton, are now equipped with artificial intelligence to speak and share their histories. This innovative project aims to breathe life into dead creatures, allowing them to narrate their experiences and even express opinions on biodiversity. The AI technology creates diverse personalities and accents for each exhibit, and interactions can occur in over 20 languages. Jack Ashby, assistant director at the museum, emphasized that this approach allows animals to embody a voice, potentially shifting public perceptions. Visitors are encouraged to engage in open-ended conversations, generating insights that could inform future exhibitions. Through their storytelling, the dodo discussed its diet and habitat, while the fin whale reflected on the emotional bonds forged between humans and nature. This artistic undertaking not only provides entertainment, but also seeks to deepen the connection between people and the natural world, making a poignant statement about the complexities of life beyond mere genetics. Switching gears to a symphonic spectacle. A three-armed robot conductor named MAiRA Pro S made her debut this weekend with the Sinfoniker in Dresden, Germany. The orchestra aims to showcase innovative music that human conductors may find impossible to lead. Artistic director Marcus Rindt clarified that the goal is not to replace human conductors, but to explore the boundaries of machine capabilities in music. During the concert titled Roboter Sinfonie, MAiRA led a performance using 3 different colored lightsabers to manage rhythm across distinct sections of musicians. The piece, Semiconductor's Masterpiece, composed by Andreas Gundlach, involved musicians playing in diverging time signatures, a task made smooth by MAiRA's precise conducting. Developed over 2 years with the Technical University Dresden, MAiRA integrates human-like arm movements with advanced mobility. Rindt was inspired to create the robot after witnessing a rehearsal where musicians struggled with varying tempos. Despite her advanced programming, local media report that the premiere on Saturday received an enthusiastic response from the audience.